What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at the Fire TV Stick 4K. Now, I know a lot of people have the Amazon Fire Stick. That's awesome. But this one is especially for my people who have the 4K HDR TVs or the 4K HDR monitors that they play games or do whatever on. This is going to be the best thing for you. It's going to turn any screen that you have in your house that has 4K capabilities into a smart TV, basically. So let's get it unboxed and see what we think about it. Now, we're going to run through a few of the specs. We're not going to get too technical because most people just want to know what this will do. Will it work? And will I get my money's worth out of it? So right away, this is going to be $50. Everywhere you go, just about Target, Walmart, you go to Amazon.com, you go to Best Buy, you're going to spend $50 for this product. It has Alexa built into it, voice control. It has 4K Ultra HD, HDR, which is high dynamic range. It's going to give you the best picture on your 4K TV. It has Dolby Vision Atmos, which is going to give you the best sound quality. It's a quad core device, and it has dual band Wi-Fi capabilities. That means you're going to be able to connect to your 2.4 gigahertz network, your 5 gigahertz network. Now that we got some of those specs out of the way, let's go ahead, and this hooks up through your HDMI. So just to get that out of the way as well, connects through your HDMI. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed and get it turned on. So boxing is very simple. They made it really easy. I'm gonna sit that to the side, open this up. We got our power brick right here. The actual Fire Stick itself, right there. This is our remote. Now our remote comes with the power button up here. You get the voice activator, your controller wheel right here, your home, back, menu settings, pause, play, fast forward, rewind, and then we get volume up and down, and we get a mute button right here. So that's a new feature that we can try out as well. Batteries go in. That's a check. Got the batteries. Unwrap the Fire Stick itself. You get a power cord, some cable right there. There we go. And we get an extension right here. Then we get our little pamphlets. Basically, we're going to plug this into the screen. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to hook it up to the internet, and then we'll be ready to go. So let me get it connected, and then we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So once we finally get it set up, you get all your information dropped in. This is what you get. This is the home screen. That's our home screen. This is what it's going to look like. Now, as you scroll through, you're going to be able to control what apps you download. Any of these apps can be downloaded, and there are tons more. Other than that, once you skip down a little bit more, you get sponsored ads and all things like that. And then you get suggestions of what you should watch and different movies and TV shows, all those types of things. So the first thing that I want to show you is you want to go to your search menu, and you want to, well, actually, we're going to go to our Bluetooth menu. So let's go here, settings. We're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. And we're going to actually go to other Bluetooth devices. We're going to add Bluetooth, and I'm going to turn on my Logitech K600. I've done a review on this before, and I'm going to actually install this keyboard. So light is blinking right there on number 1. It should find it. There we go. On the screen is K600 TV. I'm going to pair it. I'm going to type in that number, and there we are. Keyboard is connected. So next thing I'm going to do is this is going to make your life a whole lot easier. So pick you up a keyboard. It doesn't have to be this particular one, but this one just connects to 3 different devices. Pick you up a keyboard. It'll make your life a whole lot easier. What we're going to do is go back out, go back home. So once we make it back to our home screen, we're going to go to search. We're going to go down, and then we're going to look for downloader. There we go. Downloader. Now this is going to be your best friend right there in the orange, that app, Downloader. Downloader is going to help you to be able to download all types of programs. So we go ahead and open it up, and it's going to allow you, just hit allow as you want it to allow. You're going to go to google.com. Okay, so we are now on Google. Now this keyboard has mouse features, mouse functionality. We're going to be looking for Aptoid TV. Okay. Next, we're going to click on that. We're going to scroll down. We're going to get that installed. So it will not let you download third-party apps unless you allow it from unknown sources. So you're going to go into your settings. You're going to go to My Fire TV. Once you click that, you're going to go down to developer options, apps from unknown sources, and you're going to turn on. Now it does give you this disclaimer that you do this at your own risk, blah, blah, all this stuff. Just turn it on. It's fine. This is what everybody's doing. Get this plugged in, get it taken care of. Now we're going to go back to our downloader app. Let's see if it works this time. Gonna hit install, and boom, there we go. So Aptoid TV is now gonna install onto our FireStick. Perfect. There we go. It's ready to launch. Once you open it, this is the screen that you get. And Aptoid TV is full of tons of apps, tons of free apps that you're gonna be able to use. So any of this stuff you can go in and you can actually download it, and you'll be able to use and basically watch movies, watch TV, watch live TV here. Anything you want to do is in here. You just download it, install it, and you're good to go. Like, this is live TV. Click on it, hit install. It actually installs itself. You don't have to do anything else because you already said that you would like for it to install from unknown sources. There we go. You hit open. You agree. Channels. And these are all the channels that you can watch. Now we'll just click on one just to see how it works. Boomerang. Kid friendly.
Up a museum, and I was looking for something really priceless.
Really?
Oh, your crystal. That's really priceless.
Okay.
Can I have it for the museum?
So we get live TV through that. So guys, this has been my review of the Amazon Fire Stick. Now we've had these devices for years, but now we're just upgrading the quality, the picture quality. One thing I can say that it's a whole lot faster than the other one. It moves more freely. It has 8 gigs of RAM, so you can download tons of things to this because most apps only take up megabytes of space. So you're going to get tons of things you're going to be able to download on here. You have the third-party apps, as I showed you. You got Downloader, you got Mobdro, which is live TV. You got Aptoid, where you can go in and do all the apps that you want. I'll leave links below to all this stuff. But until next time, hope this is able to help someone out. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.